A weak lithium price during 2023 has not stopped one of the hottest mining regions in the world from providing investors with outstanding returns. While Canada has always been highly regarded as an investment jurisdiction for critical metals, its appeal has been heightened by the nationalisation of Chile's lithium reserves earlier this year. Given Chile hosts the world's largest lithium reserves, the Chilean government's plan continues to have significant and long-term impacts on global lithium markets, with the decision leaving many investors seeking alternative, more stable areas to invest in. Canada, in comparison, is politically stable and has a regulatory and tax environment that has long encouraged mining investment. The James Bay area of Canada, also known as Electric Avenue due to the highly concentrated number of battery metal projects in the region, has seen some spectacular discoveries that have well and truly put this region on the map. The growing reputation of James Bay as a lithium province has further increased the appeal of Tier 1 jurisdictions such as Canada. The James Bay area holds particular appeal for Aussie juniors, and one microcap to watch is Redstone Resources, who have substantial land holdings on both sides of James Bay. On the east side of the bay in Quebec, Redstone entered a 50-50 JV with Galan Lithium for James Bay projects, as well as an option agreement to acquire 100% of the Radisson East and Sakami lithium projects. And in Ontario, Redstone entered an option agreement to acquire 100% of the Atwood Lake project and an option to acquire the Pac South and Pac Southeast projects as part of the Galan joint venture. The Galan JV projects sit in the heart of this prime lithium region, as well as being adjacent to lithium market darling Patriot Battery Metals discovery. Redstone also recently identified 24 high-priority lithium, cesium, tantalum pegmatite target areas at both Radisson East and Sakami. According to Redstone Executive Chairman Richard Homsany, the growing reputation of James Bay as a lithium province should have it in the same conversation as WA's Pilbara region.
Well, the James Bay region is host to quite a few world-class big lithium discoveries, and these discoveries were made early in exploration programs. Like many other premier lithium provinces globally, what's attractive about James Bay is that you can apply for tenements and get them granted with ease. You can negotiate access with First Nations peoples generally with ease, and albeit you are constrained as to when you can go on due to the weather, you can actually get access and walk the ground and do everything within a very short amount of time. And also what is good about James Bay is that there are areas where there is no cover and you can see pegmatite sticking up all over the ground. So it's very attractive for a junior explorer like Redstone to access these areas cheaply and quickly and try and make an early discovery, as some of our neighbours have done.
Galan and Redstone have also entered into a JV agreement to secure an option to acquire 100% of the Pac East and Pac Southeast lithium project in Electric Avenue. Covering over 1,400 hectares, they are adjacent to Frontier Lithium's Pac Lithium project, which contains North America's highest grade lithium resource and is the second largest in North America by size.
Well, at Redstone, we were very happy with the initial suite of projects that we were able to acquire and own 100%, or at least have a pathway to earn 100%. When a bunch of new properties that were in excellent locations and had excellent geological characteristics that were favourable for an early discovery, when that opportunity came up, given my association with Galan, I'm also on the board of Galan, they were interested in joint venturing with Redstone. Given that they have a bigger balance sheet and they have a technical expertise in lithium, we thought it would be an excellent opportunity for both companies to share these projects, de-risk them, and seek the technical expertise of Galan. So we're able to access a broader range of properties and give us a greater chance of a discovery. And these additional projects that were acquired neighbour some of the world's largest lithium discoveries in the last 3 years. So we're very, very happy to have partnered with Galan on this exciting initiative.
Redstone is firmly focused on Canada, and its James Bay assets are complemented by the recent expansion at its Atwood Lake lithium asset in northwestern Ontario, recently expanding its footprint by 33% to 7,393 hectares, while also identifying numerous pegmatite outcrops from its Phase 1 exploration program.
When weather permits, and that generally will be from the beginning of June onwards, we will walk those properties and aggressively undertake evaluation activities with some sampling and get them into the lab early. We hope to do a helicopter-assisted program to rapidly explore these projects and try and have early results after our initial field campaign on these properties. We have already walked over one of our properties in Ontario, and our prospectivity analysis suggests that we should go out and sample more pegmatites because some of the best targets have yet to be sampled. So we look forward to continuing with that program at the Atwood Lithium Project and initiating our exploration activities in James Bay, both for our 100% owned properties and also for the Redstone Galan Lithium joint venture.
Canada also has favourable infrastructure and is ideally positioned geographically, given its close proximity to leading US EV manufacturers. Additionally, the country is working to develop its own onshore processing of lithium hydroxide, which will serve to continue reducing global reliance on China's supply during the ongoing transition to clean energy. With Canada's delivery of outstanding lithium resources continuing to grow, combined with an opportune price point in the global lithium market, Redstone Resources is certainly one to watch.